chapter. In first and second video, we have learned about the combination reactions, decomposition reactions, and chemical equations. Now, in third video, we will learn about the displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Displacement reactions, those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are those reactions where one more active element takes the place of another less active elements in the chemical reaction. This is called displacement reactions. Those are more reactive elements, like zinc is more reactive element than the copper in the reactivity series. This zinc will displace the copper from copper sulfate solution, form the zinc sulfate and copper. So displacement reactions are those reactions where one more active element take the place of another less active elements, right? यानी जो ज़्यादा पावरफुल होता है वो लेस पावरफुल को, लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स को डिस्प्लेस कर देता है. इसके लिए रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज हमको एक लर्न करनी पड़ेगी. दिस थिंग वी लर्न इन मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स चैप्टर, राइट? रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज इज गिवन देयर. सो we will take the copper sulfate solution. The color of copper sulfate solution is blue. And we take the zinc metal, we take one beaker, we put the zinc granules in it. After some time, zinc is more reactive, it will displace the copper from copper sulfate solution and become colorless and form the zinc sulfate, and it will displace copper, right? Then again we take copper sulfate plus magnesium. So copper sulfate again, which color? Blue color solution. It will displace by the magnesium because magnesium is more reactive than the copper. It will displace copper from copper sulfate solution and form the magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate solution is again colorless solution. Now we take again copper sulfate and iron. Copper sulfate is again blue color solution. Iron we take, iron it will displace the copper from copper sulfate solution and form the iron sulfate and copper. Iron sulfate is green in color. Now we take the copper chloride. Copper chloride is the green solution. Then lead will displace the copper from copper chloride and form the lead chloride and copper. Lead chloride is colorless. We take the silver nitrate and copper. Silver is a very less reactive element. Then copper displays the silver from silver nitrate solution and form the copper nitrate and silver. We take iron and hydrogen chloride. Iron displays the hydrogen from hydrogen chloride and form the iron chloride and hydrogen. Magnesium displays the hydrogen chloride and magnesium form the magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Then copper oxide react with magnesium. Magnesium displays copper from copper oxide and form the magnesium oxide and copper, right? Then so displacement reactions are those reactions where more reactive element like zinc displace the less reactive elements from the compound and form from the compound. जिंक जो है कॉपर सल्फेट में से कॉपर को डिस्प्लेस कर देगा, जिंक सल्फेट फॉर्म हो जाएगा. डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन वो रिएक्शन होती है जिसमें ज़्यादा पावरफुल एलिमेंट लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स को डिस्प्लेस कर देता है. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions are those reactions where ions are exchanged. Where ions are exchanged, these reactions are called double displacement reaction. You can see the examples of it. Silver nitrate reacts with NaCl. Now here you can say the ions are exchanged. Instead of silver there is a Na, and instead of Na there is a silver. So silver chloride and sodium nitrate are formed. This is what? Double displacement reaction. Barium chloride again react with sodium sulfate. So barium sulfate and sodium chloride are formed. Here is also ions are exchanged. Then again BaCl2 react with copper sulfate. So barium sulfate and copper chloride are formed. There is also ions are exchanged. You can see only ions, copper and barium are exchanged. Then copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide. Here is also ions are exchanged. Copper sulfide and sulfuric acid are formed. Ammonium trichloride react with ammonium hydroxide. It will form the ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. And this is very important reactions. Neutralization reaction it is called. NaOH react with HCl. It will form the NaCl and H2O. So these are the examples of double displacement reactions. You have to learn all these reactions. These are very important. So we are again going to revise this. Double displacement reactions are those reactions where ions are exchanged. So yesterday we have learned about the combination reaction and decomposition reactions. So what is combination reactions? Combination reactions are those reactions where two substances combine together and form the one single substance. This is called combination reactions. Decomposition reactions are those reactions where one substance is split up into simpler substance. There are the three types of decomposition reaction. One is thermal decomposition, second is photolysis, third is electrolysis. Thermal decomposition are those decomposition which is carried out by the heat, and photolysis are those process which is carried out with the presence of sunlight. Electrolysis are those process which is carried out by the electricity. Now third reaction is displacement reactions where one more active element displaces the less active element from the compound and form new compound. This is the displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions are those reactions where ions are exchanged. So you have to learn all the definitions and all the reactions and write in comments.